herbs, huh? Boy, you love your herb gardens, don't you?
Well, this is different though.
What?
This one is a themed herb garden.
And what is the theme?
The theme is cocktail gardens.
Oh.
It's really just great to have a purpose for your garden. I think it'll help you learn about the plants. It'll help you utilize them and use them.
Makes a lot of sense. So mint, I get.
Yep.
Mint juleps, mojitos, right?
Right? You could take this, the reason why this is in a container, because it starts to get crazy in a garden. So here, you could use the stem, you could use the leaf, and you could put in many different types of drinks.
This is an obvious choice, right? If you told me you were going to do a cocktail herbs, I would think of mint, but what are some of these others?
Over here, I have slower growing herbs, and so I'm gonna jam them all into one pot, and you could say keep this on your deck, and it's just accessible. You're sitting there, have a drink, crush it, put it in your drink.
All right. This one is rosemary. I would think that maybe you would take a little piece off and you'd put it on a piece of pork and on the grill. You're gonna put this in my drink?
There are so many different recipes out there. You could go to any culinary website.
Sage. Smells good. Smells a lot like
I'm
the
gonna
basil.
put that in the background because that's gonna get tall.
Okay.
So why don't you go right in there?
Verbena lemon. Never heard of it.
Oh, it's a fantastic, I mean,
Do I eat
smell,
it?
you could
Rub
eat it. Yep.
That thing tastes like it has been dunked in lemon juice. That's amazing.
You could add this iced tea as well. You could put them in daiquiris, you could put them in margaritas, and you could put them in gimlets.
Okay. Another use for herb gardens, and a pretty good one in this case.
So gardens with a purpose, I think they'll make you focus on taking care, and then you'll really learn how the plant grows.
Good information. And you know what? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.